High Court Judge Datuk Muhammad Arif Imran Arifin has allowed 2 questions of law raised by Puan Naimah Abdul Khalid to be referred to the federal court in relation to charges that she failed to declare her assets. The federal court will now determine whether sections 30 subsection 5 and 36 subsection 2 of the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission MACC Act 2009 violate constitutional protections, including the right against self-incrimination, the right to remain silent, the presumption of innocence, and the right to a fair trial under Articles 5 and 8 of the Federal Constitution. It will also decide whether the same provisions meet the threefold proportionality test under Article 8. Proceedings on Wednesday were conducted by Deputy Public Prosecutor Datuk Wan Shaharuddin Wan Ladin, while Datuk Dr. Gurdial Singh Nijar and Muhammad Nizamuddin Abdul Hamid represented Naimah. She was excused from appearing in court. Speaking after the hearing, Gurdial described the constitutional issues as central to the case, saying the outcome would have a direct bearing on the charges faced by his client.
Yeah, five questions.
Yeah.
But these 2 questions that are allowed are the key questions, right?
Which would invalidate the whole charge.
So once this, it's decided that it is unconstitutional, then the charge will fall. The charge in the Sessions Court will follow.
The development follows an earlier ruling on August 21, 2025, when High Court Judge K. Muniandi, now a Court of Appeal judge, allowed Naimah's bid to review a Sessions Court decision that had dismissed her application to refer 8 legal questions to the federal court. Muniandi held that the questions were neither frivolous nor an abuse of process. Previously, on February 18, 2025, the Sessions Court had rejected her application, ruling that no constitutional issues arose that warranted reference to the Apex Court. Naimah was charged on January 23, 2024, with failing to comply with a notice to declare her assets, including Menara Ilham and several properties in Kuala Lumpur and Penang. The charge under Section 36, subsection 2 of the MACC Act carries a maximum penalty of 5 years imprisonment or a 100,000 ringgit fine upon conviction.